Here's a glimpse of Ranveer Singh's new look, which will be seen in his film Ram Leela. In this Sanjay Leela Bhansali film, Ranveer plays a Gujarati Romeo. Ranveer will be seen in a similar look on the cover of a men's health magazine, displaying his bare body as well. After all, how can he not have a topless look when he's attained such a fabulous physique? But to attain this, Ranveer had to make a few sacrifices. And he's waiting for the film to end so that he could get back to all that he wants to do.
जिस दिन मैं ऑफ लूंगा ना तो मैं ये सारी चीजें खाऊंगा. There is a 10-course meal at a particular restaurant in town. दाल पकवान, सिंधी कड़ी, शाही टुकड़ा, आइसक्रीम, फ्राइड चिकन, बर्गर, चाइनीज, गंदा वाला चाइनीज फूड, रस्ते वाला.
Apart from working on six-pack abs, Ranveer had to work on his language too, because he needed a Gujarati accent for his role, and he had to do a lot of research as well.
With Ram Leela, I had the opportunity to do something with another region. I went to Gujarat, I did some research, I picked up the Gujarati language. The first thing I wanted to learn were the galis, which are very interesting.
Deepika Padukone is the Leela of Ram Leela, with whom Ranveer gets to work for the first time, but then Ranveer did not get a chance to interact with her as yet.
Mr. Bhansali के साथ काम कर रहे हो, so when you're on that film set, you have to be switched on and engaged. Mr. Bhansali को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं कि उनके सेट पे किसी भी किस्म का talk होए जो which is other than what is to do with the current scene.
Ranveer will also be seen topless in this film too, and his well-toned physicality was the reason why Bhansali ripped his shirt off in the scene.
We were shooting a song, and I was supposed to wear a traditional Gujarati kedia. And in passing, we were doing some trials, and I was putting on kedias and taking them off. And he was like, "You know what? Your body is looking amazing. Now let's just do this song shirtless."
And after listening to Ranveer's small talk, one realizes that he was pushed into so much hard work only because of Sanjay Leela Bhansali's dedication. But then, when the applause comes after the people watch the film, Ranveer will realize the value of the effort.